Products liability. What are products liability? That's often a case in a call that we get from someone that's been injured by a product that's caused substantial traumatic injury to their own person. Usually it's not their fault. Usually it's a design defect, or it's a negligent misrepresentation, or a failure to warn about what the product is capable of doing. And in Georgia and in many states, there are rules against manufacturers in how they design their products. For instance, if there was a reasonably alternative design that the manufacturer knew about, could have implemented at a cost-feasible approach, and did not do so, and that product was defective and gave cause to injury to our clients, that's a problem. And that is a case, especially when that product was the cause in fact for someone's injuries. We have a case right now where a beautiful, amazing woman was using a blender, and that blender exploded in her face. That blender, she didn't know, had actually had multiple warnings to the company that the company did not provide to the ultimate consumer. And as she was preparing a meal for her family, she had blended what she needed to prepare that meal, and as she did, it was like a pressure vessel. And when she opened up the cap, it sprayed hot contents all over her body, second, third degree burns, and she was unrecognizable for many days, and still to this day suffers from those injuries. That's the kind of case we handle. We get into that case, understand what the manufacturer knew, what was represented to other people, if there were any warnings that were relevant. And products liability goes across the board because there's so many products out there in the stream of commerce. And unfortunately, there's so many dangerous products that are out there in the stream of commerce that can ultimately hurt the end user without their knowledge and without their fault of what it's capable of doing. So if you have a case like that or know someone that does and we can help, we'd love to.